Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, cargo net, leather shift knob. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.